Hi guys, so I'm just making a simple video today. I'm gonna make some soup for my daughter, and I'm cheating because I'm using chicken noodle soup, the can. Just gonna add some stuff to it. Alright, so let's get started. Just gonna go ahead and put this in here. You're hungry? No, you're not, Milo. Oh, you're greedy, I guess. And you just follow the instructions on the can. So I'm adding a little extra because I'm gonna add some seasoning to it. I have the Lipton Soup Secrets, so the extra noodles. You can't really eat any food, so you can have like noodles and stuff like that. In here, I have some flour that I'm going to make some dumplings and put in there. I'm actually going to put a little vegetable. I'm going to put this in here. Chicken bouillon. I only use half of it. Smells good and it's not even done. A little salt. Alright, so I'm just gonna add this in there. Make some little tiny ones. much. This is going to take about 10-15 minutes. And then I just have a pepper. I'm going to put right in the middle. Guys, here's my chicken noodle soup. I have some dumpling and some vegetables. Just made this for my daughter because she wasn't feeling well, so she can't eat any food. So this is something easy and simple. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss future videos. See you guys next time.